So we have given 12 workers can do a piece of work in 20 days. How many workers should be added to complete the work in 60 days? So here is the relation between the number of workers and number of days. So 12 workers. So 12 workers can do a piece of work in 20 days. So number of days 20. So how many workers should be added? So already we have 12 and numbers of workers should be added. Suppose we x. So after adding x, the work is finished in 16 days. So it is 16. So now we have to find out the relation between number of workers and days. So number of workers and days are in indirect proportion, or they have indirect relation with each other. So we can write it 12 plus x by 12 is equals 20 by 16. So we can change it in case of indirect relation. So 12 plus x is equals 20 by 16. This 12 in divide, move in opposite side, it becomes multiply. Sorry, it is 12. So now we cancel these numbers. So 4 times 4 mean 16, 4 times 3 mean 12, and 4 times 5 mean 20. So 12 plus x is equals 5 times 3 mean 15. So x is equals this 15, this 12 in plus, move in opposite side, it becomes minus 12. So x is equals to 3. So the number of workers should be added here is 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.